Hey Megan, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful for you. But we will go ahead and get started. So the three things we'll cover today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that is anything that you can see here on your website. That does also include the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. So typically Google likes to see about 1,500 words on a homepage, and it certainly looks like you have that. So great job there. I would just say, just make sure that you are integrating those keywords and key phrases that people are going to look for when they're looking for a cleaning service. That will certainly help start the process of getting you ranked onto Google. But that's the only tip that I have for you there. We'll go ahead and move on to citations. And I pulled up a quick search here just for cleaning services in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And with the citations, you would want to go out and see where your competition is being listed. And these would be in things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp. Those are just some examples of directories. But you would want to grab the same listings that your competitors have, but you wouldn't just want to stop there. So for example, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you would want to grab those listings for your business, but then you would want to, double, triple, quadruple that. So you would want to get 20, 30, 40 listings. That way you're completely dominating them in that space, and it will also help you to rank high in the maps here. We'll move right along to the next thing, which is backlinks. And that has a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But that link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning services that send a link back to your site and basically signal, number one, to Google that that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you are trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique, but it's also going to be more powerful to Google because it is relevant to your industry. So I pulled up one of the tools that I use here, and I did put your site into it. It's not showing really any data for you, but I did want to be able to give you a visual representation of what we're talking about. So I did pull up one of your top competitors here as well. And it's showing they have 113 referring domains, giving them 336 backlinks, getting them found for 275 keywords, and that's driving 215 people to their website on a monthly basis. And I'm just going to pull up some of the keywords that they're being found for here so you can get an idea of the types of things you would want to use. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. So anything that someone is going to think to type into the search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service. Here's a great one here, cleaning services, Portland, Maine. So that lists the industry and the location that they're trying to target. So they're ranking for that. Cleaning services in Maine is another great one. House cleaning, Portland, Maine. And you can use different variations of kind of the same type of phrase like these are, and it will be counted as a totally new keyword. So I won't bore you and go through all of these, but this does, again, give you an idea of the kinds of things that you would want to have within the content on your website, and that will also absolutely help you to get found by Google as well. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. But you, again, don't want to just stop there. You want to always go above and beyond and far surpass whatever your competition is doing. And that's going to get you on that first page of Google, but it's also going to make it to where your competition has a very difficult time even keeping up with you at that point. So that's really all that I have for you today, Megan. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help to grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us because we would love to talk to you about that. And I thank you again for taking the time to watch this, and you have a great weekend.